Oh, is that Claude AI?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Everything looking good on your end? All right, let's go. Create a 12-acre land for Frozen at Disney's Blizzard Beach water park at Walt Disney World. It will be an extension of the current water park. Here's a current, and this is what it gave me. Here's a full concept proposal for Arendelle's Frozen Shores, a 12-acre expansion for Disney's Blizzard Beach. Here's what's included: 8 attractions. Yeah, somehow we fit 8 attractions in this area. Elsa's Palace Plunge, a 65-foot twin body slide signature thrill. Anna's Trollum Salam side by side racing mat slides through the Troll Village. Kristoff's Reindeer Run, family tube ride through a Nordic pine forest. Queen Elsa's Fjord, a 1.5 acre wave pool and lazy river hybrid. Olaf's Snowball Splash Bay, zero depth children's play area. A marshmallow drop, enclosed freefall body slide. Finn's Splash Corral, a two-person family tube ride.